Hola familia, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for being here with me today, and thank you guys so much for all the continuous love and support on the channel. For those of you who have been subscribing and following the journey, muchísimas gracias. If you are new here to the channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, hit the subscribe button and hit the post bell notification. That way you are aware of when I post any new channels. Any new videos. But anyway, also before I do get started on the video right now, I want to send my love, positive vibes, blessings to everyone out there. I hope that you guys are continuing to stay safe and healthy at home. Things have been crazy this week. I have been working a lot lately. I've been really bombarded with schoolwork, just a lot of stress, personal stresses and things that I eventually will share with you guys as well. So I wanted to kind of just do something fun. The weather right now is bananas out there. It's like storming, lightning, thundering. It almost looks like hail out there too. It's just insane. So I kind of wanted to just do something fun, something that kind of just make me laugh. And I thought it would be funner, but now that I'm thinking about it, I'm actually getting a little anxiety about it because as you can tell by the title of the video, this is going to be a 5-minute makeup challenge. So the whole point of this video, or of this challenge I should say, is basically to be able to put as much makeup on my face as possible. And I don't mean like in just whatever, create a makeup look in 5 minutes. Now, yeah, that's kind of challenging for me because it usually does take me a little bit of time. I am new to doing makeup on myself or anybody really, so I know that this is going to be a big challenge, but I thought it'd be kind of fun, something to do today. So before I get started, let me remind you guys to go ahead and subscribe and go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well. I'm going to be starting to post more on there and just letting you guys know of any future giveaways, videos, or polls, because I do plan on starting to go live as well with Get Ready With Me. That way you guys can kind of get to know me on more of like a personal level and ask questions and, you know, just all together. So good things coming, but I want to share them with you, so make sure you follow me on whatever social media that I have. Anyway, okay, so I'm already nervous. Let me go ahead and zoom you guys in because I know that I'm a little far out, so that way you guys can kind of be with me while I do this thing. Let me see if I can do a little bit more. Alright, I think that's good. I'm gonna go ahead also and I have obviously makeup in front of me. I'm just gonna be picking some stuff, so it might be a little difficult for me to go over every single thing that I'm using, so I will put everything that I'm using today in the description box. If you're interested in any skin like shade or color or palette or anything like that, I will put everything down below. So bear with me because I am nervous. I think I'm gonna do this. Alright, let me go ahead and turn my little light on here. It keeps shutting off on me. My mirror is ready. Now let me go ahead and get my timer. Okay, I feel like I have to breathe. Okay, nos fuimos. 5 minutos. Are you ready? On your marks, get set, y nos vamos. Let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna start with a little bit of primer. Oh my god, don't ever be this rough with your face, ever. Okay, turn it to the side. I'm gonna go do a little Colourpop foundation. I am using my beauty sponge. Oh my gosh, I need more. Ay, Dios mío. I don't even know why I do this to myself. I just thought it'd be fun, but like I said, I didn't think of how much anxiety it was actually gonna give me. Okay. Alright, Beauty Bakerie is going to be my concealer. I'm going to put a tiny bit only. Go ahead and get that up there. Oh my god, I hate being so rough, but it is what it is. Okay, Beauty Bakerie, I do have some setting powder right here. I'm going to go ahead and put that on my eyes. Put that on these little fine lines right here. Okay. Okay, moving on. I have this one by Tarte. It's yeah, I don't remember right now. I can't talk. Bronze up my face a little bit. Oh my gosh, there's like 3 minutes left already. Okay, a little bit blush by Colourpop. Go ahead and put this one right here. Oh my god, I look like a crazy person. Okay, why not? Since I'm already here, let's go ahead and do some highlight. Oh, I forgot my highlight brush. Next, eyebrows, eyebrows, eyebrows. I'm not even gonna like shape them up too crazy. I'm literally about to do this number right here. Okay. And let's go ahead and put on a little bit of eyeshadow. Colourpop again. Let's go ahead and do a little blue. Little blue here. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I thought that I would have more time. But it's all good, it's all good, it's all good. We got this. Okay, okay, nos queda como 2 minutos. Oh my goodness, okay. Alright. Go ahead, this one here. There, perfect. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead. Alamar Cosmetics. Let me just go ahead and put this on now because I feel like I might not have time. Alright. Some lip gloss by Alamar Cosmetics. I love this so much. Alright. Really, really, really quick. Let's see if I can get some eyeliner on. Oh my god, we have like 1 minute. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, my hand's shaking. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys could see my hand is shaking so much. I don't know why, I don't know why. Okay, okay, okay. Let's put curl my eyelashes really, really quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So mascara. Oh my god. Oh, is that popping up? Okay. Okay, okay. Let me put some setting spray right now. This Morphe Luminous one. Just in case I don't have time. Okay. And alright. And let's see if I can get to put some eyelashes on really, really, really quick. No, I did not. It is time, guys. Okay. I don't know if you can hear it. Jesus Christ. Okay, that was so much more. I need some rest, guys. That was so much more than what I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be a lot easier. I usually am a procrastinator and I wait till last minute to do anything and everything, so I figured I would have more time. My eyeliner is kind of crazy, but you know what? I guess like if I actually had 5 minutes to get ready and this is what I came up with, I'm not mad about it. My eyes are definitely kind of crazy, like I said, and I was unable to put any eyelashes on. But overall, honestly, I was able to use the most of my products that I did have out. So I don't know. I just wanted to do something different for you guys. Let me know what you think. I mean, obviously, like I said, not too bad considering it was literally 5 minutes. Let me know what you guys think in the comment box, and don't forget to give this video a comment. I can't talk today. I don't know what the hell's going on. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for me, please. And if you have any suggestions on future videos, please also go ahead and let me know. Thank you so guys so much for watching, for being here, for supporting. Muchísimas gracias, and I'll see you guys soon. Ciao!